How to fix Flashback.play Valorant website not working. So if you were to fix Flashback.play Valorant website is not working, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your browser where you play your Valorant. Once you're on your browser, you can go with the top right, which has that three dots, and then you need to just go with extensions. After that, go with manage extensions. And here you will have all of the extensions, right? So go with an extension that you think might be a problem and just turn the extension off. Or you can also just go and remove the extensions that you don't want. The second method you can try is again go with your three dots, which will be in the top right, and then go with settings. Under settings, go with privacy and security. Go and select delete browsing data and select all of these three options. And you can go with last 7 days or all time and go with delete data. Once you've deleted your data, it might fix your problem. But if your issue still persists, then you can go with the next section or the next option, which is again go with the three dots, which will be in the top right. Go with settings. After that, go with about Chrome right here and check for any updates. If you have any updates for your Chrome, then you just need simply go and update your Chrome. After updating, your problem will be fixed. Once you've tried all of the solutions, you can navigate to the website of Valorant or search for flashbac.play valorant.com and hit the enter. Once you're on the website, provide the user ID and then click on Let's Go. You'll be good to go. And this is how you can easily fix flashbac.play Valorant website not working. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.